Hello, good people. It's me, David, again. Hopefully you're having best day of your life. So how I do this for businesses, small, medium, doesn't really matter. I introduce the AI agent in an incremental fashion, one micro step at a time. And I'll give you an example. The average AI agent that I build starts off with web-based frequently asked questions and callback. We introduce that first. Then the telephone-based one basically works the same way. You'll end up with an email to reply to first thing in the morning. Yeah, that's about it. The second one is introduce the booking system with Google Calendar. So we get the first step done and we leave that for a month. Then go and set up the Google Calendar to arrange bookings, to arrange specific callback times. Then leave that running for a month. Get used to it. Then the next step may be to introduce the customer relationship management system. Now, I actually introduced this at the beginning, but I don't introduce you to it simply because we're going incrementally one step at a time. If you ever want to speed up the process, that's no problem at all. I can do that, but I believe in incremental steps, not to drastically change the business overnight, because that will lead to probably failure for the AI agent and for its implementation into your business. And then let's just say you do outcalls, duration and distance calculation. A month later, introduce that slowly. Now, I may actually introduce that, but the client may ask for it, especially if you're doing a lot more traveling than other businesses. So again, I'll introduce that a month later, but if you want it with the calendar, that's no problem at all. And that'll get monitored to make sure that it's being used properly. And with anything else that you want added, then that will once again be, so for example, invoicing. A month later, after the distance duration calendar, invoicing, and maybe just start with your absolute core products, core services, and leave that for a month. Get used to it. Get used to checking the invoices, the drafts, monitoring them when they come in through the email or the Stripe application. And so you can learn how to use it slowly. A lot of people are just slamming everything down your throat at once, and it creates a bit of a bottleneck for your business because no one can know how to use it, which is not actually true, but most people can know how to use it. But it's something it's got to come organically to your business and start to become part of your processes. So incremental change is best, and that's why I always recommend one AI process at a time. And it's just a very good way to monitor everything and make sure that it's working in the exact fashion you want it to. And just remember, as the developer and the engineer, I can usually make the changes required. All right, good people, have a fantastic day. I hope you have a phenomenal day today. It's going to be a great day for you. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.